Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you Java increment and decrement operator. So let's get started. So the increment operator is used to increase the value of a variable by 1 and by using the increment operator and also the increment operator plus plus. It can be placed before a variable. So when we place it, the increment operator before a variable, we call it pre-increment, but when we place it after a variable, we call it post-increment. And now I'll show you some examples of the post-increment, post-increment, and pre-increment. So let me open Eclipse. Okay. So basically, I just need to write int and any variable like y is equals to 43, and then I write y plus plus, and then I write system.out.println. Inside these parentheses I write y. So it's gonna add the value by 1, right? So it's gonna be 43 plus 1, which is gonna give us the result 44 when we're gonna run it. Yeah, and also we can write the y plus plus like this too, plus plus y. So yeah, this one is the so this one is the post increment. Yeah, so this one is the post increment, the other one was the pre increment. So yeah, but it's the same thing. You can write, it's your choice if you want to write y plus plus, or if you want to write the plus plus y. Like, if it's your choice if you want to write the post increment or the pre increment. So I prefer to write the pre increment, which is y plus plus. Okay. So yeah, so if you write plus y and we run it, it's gonna give us the same result because it's literally the same thing and there's no difference at all. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another operator, so which is gonna be the decrement operator. So basically the decrement operator applies the same rules as the increment operator, but it's the opposite of the increment operator. So this one is used to decrease the value of a variable y1, and by using the decrement operator minus, and yeah, it can be placed before a variable. So when we place it before a variable, the decrement operator, we call it pre-decrement, and when we place it after a variable, we call it post-decrement. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the examples of the decrement operator too. So I'll create another variable called a is equal to 12, and then I write a minus. So this one is the pre-increment. Yeah, this one is the pre-increment, and when we print it out, so it's gonna give us the result 11 because it's gonna decrease the value by 1, right? So 12 minus 1 is 11, so that's why it's gonna it give us the result 11 and show it to us in the console. Yeah, and yeah, we can also do the post increment, which is minus a. So yeah, so when we run it, it's gonna give the same result. So yeah, there's no difference between minus a and a minus 1. It's yeah, I think it's literally the same thing. So when you execute it, it's gonna work. So it will keep giving you the result, like 11 if I keep running it with different like post increment or minus or pre increment. So yeah. Okay, and yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So make sure to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.